friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a clay recipe, and today I'm going to make a clay with the soap. Yes, see this soap, you can take any soap. Here I have used this one. White color is better to get a white clay, so you can add the color whatever you want. So first let me grate this with the help of grater. This clay is also known as clay or Fomic Clay, and the shrinkage of this clay is very less and it's dry very fast. So just grate it, you will get this kind of powder. So grate it. It's time for cooking now. Take a pan and 1 cup of grated soap and add in the pan. Now we are adding half cup of water. Mix it well. Let it set for 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over now. It's time for cooking. We are going to cook this on a very low flame. Keep stirring continuously. We are going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes and then add 2.5 tablespoons of PVA glue. Mix it well. Make sure your flame is very low. See the consistency? Now it's time to add corn flour or cornstarch. This is half cup of corn flour I am using here. Make sure you turn off your flame. We just want to mix the flour and not cook the corn flour. Mix it well. Now transfer the clay into the bowl. Just apply oil on your fingers and palm. Be aware that the clay is hot. You can always add flour or glue for the consistency of the clay. So it's too hot right now, so I am going to knead it with a spatula. Mix it well. As the clay cools down, it will become a right consistency, so don't add too much flour at the starting point only. So now start kneading with your fingers. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to knead this. See the consistency. Keep applying little bit oil so that it is non-sticky. This clay smells very good because of soap added in. See, now it is done. Just apply oil on it. And now we are going to store it in a Ziploc bag. Apply oil all over the clay. So keep the clay in the Ziploc bag and then into an airtight container. This clay will last for 3 to 4 months at the room temperature, and you can refrigerate it and it will last for 6 to 7 months. This is really very affordable clay to make at home. Now take some quantity of your clay and other you can again Ziploc it and put it in the airtight container. So here I am showing you how to test your clay consistency. Perfect teardrop shape. See this, it means your clay consistency is perfect. See, the texture is so good and it smells also good and it is affordable. It is so smooth and shiny. Now I am going to show you how you can color your clay. So here I am using this acrylic colors. You can also use food color or oil colors. So I am using here acrylic color. Just take little amount of color and mix it well. It is little a messy job, but in order to have a colorful clay you need to add this. Just mix it well, knead it well. See how lovely this looks and see the texture of the clay. Now I will show you with another color, red color. This is also acrylic color. So it's done. See how lovely this color looks. The best part of this clay is the finishing is very smooth. It shines. The shrinkage is very less and it is air dry clay. You can store it at room temperature for 3 to 4 months and the refrigerator for 6 to 8 months, and the projects are going to last for years. And you can make flowers, jewelry, sculptures, charm, keychain and many more things with this clay. Even kids can play with this clay. So please let me know how to find this homemade clay recipe. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.